It's your girl, JekJek's the Cloud, and guess what time it is? Oh, that's right, it's time for another balloon art lesson. This time, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Demodog from Season 2 of Stranger Things.
Hey, it's me. It's your friend, it's Dustin. It's Dustin, right? You remember me? Right, will you let us pass? Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the storm cellar. I know it's a pretty douchey thing to do.
Let's get started. To make a Demodog, you're going to need 2 balloons. One of them is a red 260. And as for the other one, well, because the Demodogs are seen in such dark lighting most of the time, really you can make the body any dark color you want. But in this situation, I want to make the only Demodog to have a name, Dart. Therefore, I'm going to give it a purple body. So first thing you're going to do is take your purple, or whatever dark color you chose, and air it up about 3/4 of the way. Let some air out, and tie. So first thing you're going to do is give it about 3 inches from the end of the tie to your first twist. Now you're going to measure about 4 inches and twist it, fold it over, and twist it again. Next, you're going to go down about 7 inches, and you're going to twist it again. And now, 2 more 4-inch twists. And there we have the body of our Demodog. Now you're going to take the red balloon and air it up about 2/3 of the way. Let air out and tie. First thing you're going to do is twist a little more than 1 inch down, so like 1.5 inches. And then you're going to take the slack and then twist it into what you just made and wrap it around. That makes a tiny little flower petal. Hardly a flower petal, but there it is. You see that? Now, you're going to make a larger flower petal. Maybe about 2 inches long. And now you're going to do that again 3 more times. And you should be left with a little bubble on the end like this. So now what you're going to do is you're going to reposition the flower petal, 4 larger flower petals around the small flower petal in the center. So it should look like that. Now you're going to take the piece that's in the back there, grab the body, twist a tiny little bubble, no bigger than this, and now twist these 2 bubbles together. And there you have a balloon Demodog. Isn't he the cutest little cat eater you've ever seen? Uh-oh. Looks like I'm surrounded. Does anyone have a Three Musketeers bar? Well, that concludes this week's lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And if you pop the balloons, it's okay, it's part of the art. And until the next lesson, I'm your girl, JekJek the Clown. Keep on smiling and keep on twisting.